A great practice is never built on doing just one thing brilliantly, but it's built on doing multiple things consistently very, very well. So, welcome to episode 1 of the Dental Community series. In this, I want to introduce to you the 7 pillars of successful dental practices. So, after 38 years of being in practice, I can tell you that your clinical skills will introduce the patients to good dentistry, but will rarely be able to give you the longevity in your practice that you deserve. The first one is, of course, your clinical foundation, because that's the skill your entire foundation is going to rest on. And the second point is space and ergonomics, because how you have designed your practice or your clinic with the ergonomics that allow you to move for the patients to be comfortable will determine the longevity and the impression that the patient has of your practice. The third one is conscious ethical dentistry, which is your morality parameters have to be patient friendly, that the patients can judge as well. And so therefore, make sure that those parameters are very high. Number 4, patient communication. One of the most important pillars of clinical practices succeeding is how you can tell the patient what is going to happen to him, explain the treatment plans, the modalities, the costing, which he should veer towards for his own good, and then what is longevity of your dental procedures. So that is your patient communication that you will have to convey on day 1. That's your winner. The next one is extremely important, as we can imagine. It's technology. Invest in the right, best available technology that will enhance the quality of your practices. Following that is something that I consider extremely important, and that is education. You know, when you get a degree, you do not have an education. You have a piece of paper. Your education actually starts when you get that degree. You have to keep learning to be able to compete with your colleagues for the rest of your life. That will give you longevity. And the final point is patient management and marketing your practices to the rest of the outside world. That we will, of course, discuss in detail in the subsequent episodes. But let me tell you, patient management will be very important because the patient has to feel secure, and he should feel that he can trust you, and he should feel that he is getting the best possible treatments, the best opinion, the best treatment modalities in your practice. That is so important for the patients. Stay tuned for the coming episodes that will describe these pillars in detail.